Did you know that the key to unlocking your full potential isn't working more, but working less and with more focus? It may sound contradictory, but that's exactly what the most productive people in the world do. And today you're going to discover 3 neuroscience techniques that will help you improve focus, increase productivity, and find more satisfaction in what you do. Neuroscience has deeply studied how our brain works and how we can make better use of our time. If you've ever felt overwhelmed or scattered, these techniques might be the key to transforming your routine and bringing more peace to your daily life. The first technique we're going to explore is mindfulness. But what exactly does that mean? Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, without being carried away by distractions or thoughts about the past and future. In a world where we are bombarded by notifications, emails, and obligations, this practice may seem simple, but it's incredibly powerful for the brain. Imagine this: you're having lunch, but at the same time, you're replying to messages on your phone or thinking about the tasks for the afternoon. The result? You barely notice the taste of the food and often don't even remember what you ate. By practicing mindfulness, you slow down. For example, when eating, you savor each bite, paying attention to the textures, flavors, and sensations the food provides. This not only improves your relationship with food but also trains your brain to be present in any task you're performing. Neuroscience studies show that by practicing mindfulness, areas of the brain related to focus and concentration are strengthened. Over time, this practice allows you to concentrate more deeply on complex tasks, and as a bonus, it brings a sense of calm and satisfaction. It's as if you're reprogramming your brain to focus better while simultaneously reducing stress. The second technique is single tasking, and here I ask you a question. How many times have you tried to do several things at once, thinking you were being more productive? The truth is, the human brain wasn't designed to multitask efficiently. When we try to do multiple things at the same time, whether it's replying to emails while attending a meeting or reading a report while talking to someone, what really happens is that the brain switches between tasks without fully concentrating on any of them. Neuroscience shows us that each time we switch from one task to another, there's a cognitive cost. This process, called context switching, consumes mental energy and reduces our efficiency. The result? It takes longer to complete tasks, and we usually make more mistakes. This leads to frustration and a feeling that we're always running out of time. Now, imagine the opposite. You decide to focus on just one task at a time without distractions. By concentrating on a single activity, your brain enters a state of flow, where it operates at maximum efficiency. In this state, you not only complete the task faster but also with higher quality. And best of all, in the end, you feel much more satisfied because you know you gave it your best and accomplished something important. Single tasking is a true revolution in productivity, and unlike multitasking, it brings concrete results and a sense of accomplishment. Now, let's talk about the third technique, which is the famous Pomodoro Technique. You may have heard of it before, but I'll show you how it can be a great ally for your focus and productivity. The Pomodoro Technique was developed in the late 1980s by Francesco Cirillo, and the name comes from one of those tomato-shaped kitchen timers, Pomodoro in Italian. The concept is simple but incredibly effective. You work in 25-minute blocks, called Pomodoros, and then take a short 5-minute break. After completing 4 Pomodoro cycles, you take a longer break, between 15 to 30 minutes. But why does this work so well? Our brain wasn't made to maintain focus for long periods without rest. When we try to work for hours on end, we end up feeling tired, distracted, and eventually unproductive. The Pomodoro Technique, on the other hand, respects the brain's natural rhythm by alternating between periods of high concentration and short rest intervals. These breaks are crucial for the brain to recover and prepare for the next focus cycle. Additionally, using a timer creates a controlled sense of urgency. When you know you only have 25 minutes to focus on a task, you're more likely to work with more focus and less procrastination. And at the end of each Pomodoro, you feel that satisfaction of completing a cycle, which motivates you to keep going. This technique is especially useful for those who have difficulty maintaining focus for long periods or feel overwhelmed by large projects. By breaking the work into smaller blocks, you make any task more manageable and less intimidating. Think about the impact of these 3 techniques on your life. With mindfulness, you'll be present in each task, experiencing more focus and less stress. Single tasking will allow you to accomplish more with quality without the exhaustion of multitasking. And with the Pomodoro Technique, you'll work efficiently, respecting your brain's natural rhythm and avoiding mental fatigue. These simple changes can transform your productivity and bring more balance to your daily life. By adopting these practices, you'll not only be accomplishing more but also living with more clarity and satisfaction. Now it's your turn. Try these techniques and see how they can improve your productivity and bring more balance to your life. If you like these tips and want to learn more about how to make better use of your time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll continue to receive more content that will help you unlock your true potential.